going to celebrate my 15,000 subscribers and got my snacks and got my water and some juice, which I put in my cooler bag behind there. Guys, look at how amazing this road is.
Post the TikTok shit.
Oh shit.
That's my
It's so dark. It's so dark. Anyway, I am safely in Siavonga. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Lika. I am back again with another video. Okay, hope you guys are doing fine, hope you're doing well. I am actually on a road trip, guys. I'm so happy, like I am super happy. Look at this. So I'm actually on Kafiwe Road. This is Cosmopolitan or Makeni Bridge. I'm actually on my way to Siavonga, baby. So I am going to celebrate my 15,000 subscribers in Siavonga, courtesy of Manchinchi Bay Safari Lodge. Okay, I can't wait, guys. Like I'm super happy. I have to reduce on speed because I might be caught for overspeeding. Anyway, so time check is 14:20 and I just left home. I am super excited. My bags are behind. I have my water here. I have my bag in case I want to buy something, and some I need to withdraw money somewhere where I'm gonna find an FNB ATM. Yeah, so that's what's going on today, guys. I'm super excited and thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing, for watching my videos, for commenting. Like, you guys motivate me and I am so happy. All right, anywho, so anyway, let's go. Let's take the drive together. I am so excited. We are approaching the Shimabala to get, so time check is 14:47 and there are people selling maize as always. Beep. Oh, I have to look for the money to pay. At least I delayed because I was looking for where to withdraw money. Yeah, so now I must have some money somewhere. This is Shimabala toll gate. I have a 20 here. This is how much I'm gonna pay. So I have to keep some in here for coming back in case money will finish. At least I'll have, and then I can go home. So yeah.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You
I just remembered that I actually did not come up with a playlist on this trip, huh? So the thing is, I am making a stop in Kafiwe by Kafiwe shop, right? So once I make that stop, I am just gonna, you remember my radio, right? So yeah, once I make that stop, I'm actually going to play Makadzi today. Like, I just want Makadzi today. Like, I just want Makadzi today, baby girl. Okay? And also, I have like, oh, I need crisps. Anyway, I need crisps. So I'm gonna play Makadzi. After Makadzi, I am going to play some of Questa. Is it Questa? Yeah, like nigga just talks to my heart, you know. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. And yeah, I'm sure by the time those two playlists will be done, I will be in Siavonga. I think so. Yeah, so right now I am playing Ruga my nigga. So guys, I entered into ShopRite and got my snacks and got my water and some juice, which I put in my cooler bag behind there. And then I got this will be my first time trying these, but I'm hoping they're tasty because I'm about to go in, and then yeah, it will keep me busy. At least I won't doze or do anything.
Posta TikTok shit, das war las que dreh, mein new Butuli. Posta TikTok shit, das war las que dreh, mein new Butuli. No cagues asa, kwanza na waini ni wakati meacha. No cagues asa, kwanza na waini ni wakati.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
Guys, look at how amazing this road is. Like, this year I haven't been here. It looks so clean because there were potholes here, like all over, all the way down. There were like a lot of potholes here, but it's like they fixed and all that. It looks so clean and amazing. Like, this road never used to be like this. It used to be bad. Like, it used to have a lot of potholes here. Oh my god, I'm just so impressed, you know. Oh, it's not very good, but at least, because there used to be a lot of accidents and then trucks turning just there. But anyway, just enjoy nature. Enjoy nature.
Can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. Can make me
Hey guys, so I made a pit stop, and because I saw a bicycle man, so that's the reason why I made a pit stop. But I am still going, and yeah, so there's a bus coming in front. You know, when you're traveling alone, you don't make a lot of stops because, I mean, girl, you can be attacked. I don't know. So yeah, I've already branched off to Siavonga, and it's about 5:07 at the moment. I am praying I just drive slowly and I get there by maybe 6. But yeah, and by the way, I got some meat. This cost me like 20 kwacha. So I got the boiled one. 2 of them were like 10 kwacha, like 1 kwacha each, 5 kwacha each. Sorry, Jesus, the mathematics that I'm doing as if I'm Mr. Muranda. Anyway, yeah, so the meat was, the boiled one was 5 kwacha each, and then the roasted one is like 1 kwacha 15 ngwe. So I got 1 kwacha 15 ngwe, that's for 10 kwacha, and 2 for 10 kwacha, also the boiled one. Yeah, so let's go.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Guess what? Baby girl is in Siavonga. Time check is 6:30 p.m. Guys, I am super excited. Check it out. Oh, the truck died. So here it says, whoa, Siavonga, you have to turn. If you can see here it says Siavonga, you turn right. Like, I am super excited to be here, guys. Like, I am super excited. I can't wait to check in and see who's at the lodge. And yeah. Okay, I'll end it as I enter the lodge, I think. Yeah, that's when I'm gonna end the video, so that you see when I'm checking in, and then I do a room tour. But yeah, I'm just excited. I'll see you as I enter the lodge. Cheers. So I'm almost reaching where I'm supposed to turn from. If I am not mistaken, this is where baby girl is supposed to turn from. Yeah, it's actually here. I can see there where it's written Manchichi Bay Lodge. Because I've stayed here before. I've been to Skyview Lodges before, and then I've also been to the lodge that's just near here. It's called Eastern Villa Lodge. Oh, look at that, Siavonga Complex. Maybe there's a drinking place here. I don't know, talking about drinking places, it's going down today. Yeah, so I've
I've stayed here before. And also at Eagles Rest. If you remember, guys, I went this side with Damaris, Empress Day, and Fafus, our friend from where? I can't remember. But in Somalia? Yeah. So we stayed this side. It's a very dusty and bad road, so I'll have to cut this video. Hey guys, so I'm actually gonna end this vlog here because I have to make another one, okay? Can you guys see me? It's so dark. It's so dark. Anyway, I am safely in Siavonga. I've just checked in, got my key. I'm actually in room 16. So I told that lady that I want to go on my own, you know. So yeah, that's where I'm going. I'm just gonna look for my room. When I find it, that's when I'll come and get the bags. Then I show you guys the room tour in my next video. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys. I am here to actually celebrate my 15,000 subscribers, and you guys contributed to this, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Peace.